Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the In English podcast. My name is Ryan.
Hello, everyone. My name is Clara.
So, Clara, what topic are we going to discuss today?
Today, we are talking about 10 common mistakes people make while learning English. These are not grammar mistakes. These are habits.
That's interesting, Clara. I really like this topic because learning English can feel emotional.
Absolutely. The first mistake is comparing your English with fluent speakers.
Yes, many learners watch fluent speakers and feel discouraged.
They think, my English is very poor.
But fluent speakers were also learners once.
Comparison kills confidence and motivation.
The second mistake is waiting to be perfect before speaking.
Many learners keep thinking instead of speaking.
They say, I will speak when my English is perfect.
But English improves by speaking, not by waiting.
The third mistake is fear of judgment.
Yes, people worry about making mistakes.
They fear being laughed at or corrected.
But fear stops progress more than a lack of vocabulary.
The fourth mistake is translating from the mother tongue.
This makes speaking slow and unnatural.
Learners first think in their own language.
Then they translate into English. This breaks fluency.
The fifth mistake is focusing only on grammar rules.
Grammar is important, but language is learned by use, not by rules alone. Too much grammar can stop speaking.
The sixth mistake is memorizing words without context.
Learning single words is not enough. Words should be learned in sentences.
I agree. Words learned alone are quickly forgotten. The seventh mistake is ignoring listening practice.
Many learners only read and write.
Without listening, pronunciation never improves.
Listening helps with flow and natural speaking.
The eighth mistake is trying to learn everything at once.
Too many apps, books, and videos create confusion. Learners jump from one method to another.
This slows progress. The ninth mistake is practicing only in the head.
Thinking in English is good.
But speaking aloud is necessary.
Your mouth and mind must work together.
The 10th mistake is giving up too early.
Many learners stop after a few weeks.
But English needs consistency, not intensity.
Small daily practice brings big results.
Remember, making mistakes is part of learning.
Listen daily, speak daily, practice daily.
Imperfect English is better than silent English.
If you found this episode helpful, take 1 point and practice it today.
And if you want more simple, clear English practice, subscribe to the In English podcast.
You can also like this episode and share it with someone who is making these mistakes.
We'll see you in the next episode.